how to turn off Gmail desktop notifications on PC. Hello guys, so on this video I'm going to show you how to disable the Gmail desktop notifications. All what you have to do is go to your Gmail. As you can see right here, this is the home page. Now go here in the top and click on settings. After that, click on see all settings right here. Now scroll down until you find the desktop notifications option and click mail notifications off. Very easy and fast. And after you finish, go down and click save changes. If this video was helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching this video until the end. See you later. Thank you so much.